Hello everyone, it's Mr. Reynoso, and today I'm going to show you how to write the lowercase letter M. Okay, to start, I'll write my name at the top. Jeremy is my first name. Okay, M is a plain line letter. It starts at the plain line. Here we go. Point to the plain line and go down to the grass line. Trace back up to the plain line, make one hump. Then go back up to the plain line again and make another hump. It's kind of like the letter N that way. Alright, let's start tracing it down here. Start at the plain line, down to the grass line, make a hump, trace back up, make another hump. Okay, start at the plain line, down to the grass line, trace up, make a hump at the plain line again, make another hump at the plain line. There's two humps. At the plain line, go down to the grass line, go back up, trace a hump, trace another hump. Start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, go up, make a hump, trace back up, make another hump at the plain line. Okay, straight down, make a hump, trace back up, make a hump. It's ending on the grass line. Let me switch to blue. And now, start at the plain line, down to the grass line, trace back up to make a hump at the plain line, and make one more hump at the plain line, the letter M. Lowercase is just like that. Straight it down from the plain line, make a hump, trace back up, make another hump. Start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, make a hump, down to the grass line, make another hump, down to the grass line. If I was going to do it the wrong way, what if I made a hump like this? Does this hump count? Or in a little hump like that? Sorry, no, they are too different. They're not reaching up to the plain line where they're supposed to be. The plain line is the target. So let's see. Straight down to the grass line, make a hump at the plain line, make another hump at the plain line, just like that. Thank you for practicing the letter M.